Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with this soap making video today. So today we are doing ice cream cone soap. So this is the mold that I'm using. It's an ice cream shaped. We will start by pouring in the first like biscuit layer, and then on top we will have a white color, and then we will do a yellow piping. So this is the yellow piping portion, this is the biscuit portion. For the yellow, I'm using the full throttle yellow. And then for the biscuit portion, I'm using two type of micas. One is called mocha and the other one is shimmer gold. So those two will be mixed here. And this one has titanium dioxide for the white. And for the fragrance, I'm using coconut water and pineapple fragrance oil from Crafter's Choice. This one behaves really well in soap. It sticks really well. Also after the cure, the smell will be really nice. It's a coconut and pineapple. For me, it smells more a tropical mix. I don't know. So let's get started. I'll be stick blending this one and have the lye water solution added to this one. I have my oils and butters and colors and fragrance and additives. Everything is in here. I'll do each layer at a time. So we start with this one. We pour it in those mold, and then we do the other layer on top after it sets down, and then we do the piping lastly. So I'll start with the first one. Then we will add the lye water solution, which also contains the Tussa silk, and stick blend. As I already know that the fragrance behaves well, so that's why I added the fragrance. Usually when I'm not sure, I would stick blend first, and then when I have a trace, I'll add the fragrance oil. So that's the first layer. I'm not sure if the camera shows it, but there's a shimmer, like you can see the shimmer to it. That's what I like about this color, the shimmer gold. So it's very runny. Pour it into the mold. I'll basically start by covering the whole biscuit part, and then if I have extra from the batter, I can add on top, doesn't matter. Which is the case. I tried to stick blend a little bit more because the first layer took a long time to set up. I'm hoping that this one will set up faster. But you know what? I learned something in soap making: patience. It's very important to be patient. It doesn't matter, it's runny. It's better to have it this way than having it accelerating or rising or having issues, right? So it's still okay. It's very fluid. I'll try to pour it on the spatula as well to make sure that we don't break through much. I'll start by half of it at least, and we'll see how much batter we have left, because I think I mixed up. So I had, these are almost, each pitcher has 10 ounces, but one had 12 and the other one had 8. I believe the biscuit one should have 8, and I took the 12th one. That's why I had extra. And now I'm not short, but I could here definitely use the 12. As you can see, they're not fully full, but it's okay. And we will pipe it, and it will be perfectly fine. So now that this layer is also set up, the white part, I will mix the yellow one. Now this one is going to be the piping. You know what, let me just show you. So that is the piping tip I'm using for the top, and the small piping bag. What I will do, I will mix this one, add the live water solution, make sure that it's thickened enough to pipe it, and then I'll put it in the piping bag and I'll bring you in when all is ready. So yeah, I'm using a small piping bag. That's why it didn't fit the whole batter. I still have some here, and I wanted to show you the consistency. Like when you do like this with the spatula, it's falling, but some is sticking. So I don't usually pipe it at this consistency. I usually want it to sit on the spatula and not go down. However, I will try and attempt to start with one. If we find that it's so runny or liquid and it's not working, I will stop and wait again. But I've been literally waiting here for over 30 minutes, so I'm out of patience. I will try it and fingers crossed. Let's see. It's actually okay. Let me just go up here because it is running. Let me fix the bag a little bit. Right. Oh, this is okay. So I'll pause you again. All right. And the last one. So now I will finish the top with some biodegradable glitter. This gives it a very shiny look to the ice cream. And then I'll bring you in back tomorrow when we unmold it. There's no cut for this one, we just unmold it. It's very easy and simple. And that's it. See you tomorrow. Hello and welcome back. So this is the next day. I believe it's a bit more than 12 hours into making those soaps. So let's start by unmolding the first one. And that's how it looks like. This is the cone, and then the white, and then the yellow. I hope you like it. If you do, give us a thumbs up. Support our channel, our business. These will be listed on the website by the time you watch the video, probably. So, and until next week, I'll just keep unmolding them. Until next week, I'll see you again with another soap making video. Take care of yourselves, stay positive, stay safe, and keep smiling. Bye for now.